damn it, Trevor. But we caught almost the aftermath. He went off this. This is like a 3-foot drop. Luckily, he's wheels down. He's all right.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh shit. Oh, tree. Lyle's stuck again because of a tree. Alright, that's all she wrote. Probably flywheel bolt snapped. What's going on, YouTube? We are back out here for our Sunday ride. This ride, I'm gonna say, it's looking pretty good snow-wise. We had 6 or 8 inches of snow. We had a storm. I think it was this past Tuesday. Today's Sunday. Well, of course, just typical Rhode Island fashion. A couple days later, it friggin' rained and it got warm. But this area is a little more north than where I live, so all the snow's gone at my house. But there's actually a good amount left here, and the woods looks really good. So I'm thinking today's going to be a pretty good ride. It's going to be slippery, should be fun. So I don't know. We're going to maybe call this our official snow ride of 2023. We'll see how it goes. We got Al's coming by on the old Can-Am, oh no, yeah, the Can-Am Outlander 570. Mark right there, Uncle Lyle. Trevor on his Yamaha. Bill can't ride today, but we are going to go, we're actually going to go to Bill's first to bust his chops, maybe convince him to come out. But we're going to go there just to say hi, maybe grab a beer. But should be a good day. Take you guys along for the ride as usual. You know what the deal is? Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, it's gonna be wet, all the water, it's gonna be good. Woo. Lots of roosters. This might have been a bad idea. You might want to get back up front. Yeah, it's going to be wet. Definitely going to be a wet ride. Oh, whoa. I don't know, boys. I say this is an official snow ride. Definitely better than last week. Last week, we had a dusting. It was definitely more frozen, so it made the trails real slippery. We had a good time. But this is a little better. I did not wash the quad. You guys probably see that it's still pretty dirty. Basically because of that snowstorm we got. I didn't have the time. Oh shit. God damn it, Trevor. Alright, take 2, or technically take 3. We've been stopped for 5 minutes, maybe more. We're gonna actually turn around and go back because Trevor and Al are still not here. So that's definitely it's not a good sign. Oh, he's dead. Yeah, battery. Looks like a battery. Try it again, Trevor. Let you guys hear this thing. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Probably flywheel bolt snapped. 1.5 miles in, not a good day.
For your time.
Alright, we're gonna continue onward to Bill's. Trevor is gonna meet us there. He's gonna take his truck. Bill's only like 5 minutes from Ryan's house, so we might check out his quad later. If not, we'll get it straightened out this week because we'd like to try to ride next week too. So, well, definitely a bummer. Literally, he made it about 1.5 miles, so. Well, you guys know all about it. Shit breaks never ends sometimes, so he's gotta, for the most part, that quad's okay. So he's gonna do a breather box. address this issue. That's like the main thing, but it'll be alright. But Lyle's going slow. Friggin' mess. What a mess. Holy shit! I'm good. I rolled it. I rolled it. You didn't see that? I friggin' tipped over.
I know my quad does.
Oh, I'm like, holy shit. That runs deep, baby. Woo. This is the old way that we used to go. Rocky as hell over here. It's not even funny. Oh, tree, tree. When trees attack, part 4. Look at that thing. That thing sucked them right off the trailer. Holy shit, Lyle. That's a good one, man. Holy friggin' shit. I thought I had issues with trees. I don't know, this might be a record right here. You are definitely stuck. Alright, we got Lyle untangled from that crazy tree limb. Oh, this turned out to be quite the Sunday ride, that's for sure. We've had a few issues and we haven't even made it that far yet. But it's all good. We will continue. Woo, tight squeeze. Big tree down. Right off it. Holy shit, that was pretty good. See if Mark's gonna do it. Oh, he's got it. Oh shit! He went a little bit to the right. That's the thing, you gotta stay left. might have roosted him. I might have, oh shit. Holy shit. I almost died. Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck was that? You went off that? Huh?
Look at that drop off.
That's where you went? I thought you were gonna die.
I think that traction going up it.
Well, the first time you hit to the right, no? Because that fucking sent you like that. That sent you that way.
Yeah, the first time I went right.
You hit that.
Yeah, no, I went over here.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Dude, that's fucking nuts. Holy shit.
Yeah.
I can't believe you didn't die.
I don't know. That was a smooth landing.
Holy fucking shit. You can see Mark's tracks. We caught almost the aftermath. He went off this. This is like a 3-foot drop. Luckily, he's wheels down. He's all right.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh shit. My quad just, it's good, it's good. My quad just fucking goes right down the hill. And she's safe. All right. We're leaving Bill's for the second time. Head back to Ryan's and call it a day. It's getting late. It's about 4 o'clock now. Not a horrible day, not a complete loss. We got just about 17 miles in, which is decent. So I don't know if we'll hit 20. We'll be close to it. It's only a couple miles, maybe 2 or 3 miles to Ryan's. If we go the short way, we could go the long way, but Lyle's tire's not holding air, so we'll probably just take the quick way back and call it a day. Yep. Try not to roll it over here on the way back, like I did earlier. Which was right here in this corner. Huge ruts. Oh my god. Oh. Well, Lyle was gonna get stuck right there. Made it to Ryan's. Slippery over here. That's a wrap for this one, people. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. That helps me a ton. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're not yet, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.